Let's do that over again.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hi. Hello. Welcome back. Vlogmas Day 6. Big day. I thought, let me just show you something different. Let me show you me combing my hair. I am figuring out what or if I should eat breakfast. I think I will. Will I be getting the Cuban? I'm gonna get breakfast nearby here at some small little place. Like, even if it's an orange or like an apple, I don't care. And then I'll def get a Cuban coffee, which I will also show you guys because I am such a great vlogger, right? And yeah, today's the last day in Miami. Honestly, will there be fun things to see? IDK. Doing something like this is interesting. By having to stop and record and really analyze your day and think about what would be the most compelling to put on YouTube for others to watch, really makes you realize, a lot of life is spent doing the mundane, the everyday habits that you have, getting up, brushing your teeth, having breakfast, whatever it may be. But there's also a lot of life that's spent rushed, where when time is going fast, but you're not really actually present because you're focused on getting through your to-do list and managing it all. But then there are moments that are actually interesting and engaging for others to see, but those don't really happen on the day-to-day. I think that I'm really happy that we've managed to keep it up. This is going to be day 6. Wow, good job us after basically only doing 10 videos beforehand. But it is nice knowing that these videos will live a life beyond us in the ethers. And I think that's kind of cool. Like, we can look back and be like, what were we doing December 2019, 10 years from now?
Just be my lover, 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 just be my lover.
Good morning, everyone. I have been up probably since like 7:30. Look at the mess in my room. Guess who's cleaning today? I'm gonna clean up the apartment, clean up my room, put some clothes away. Here's our YouTube calendar. I don't really know what to eat today, so I'm struggling. Like, do I want to leave, spend money? Do I want to eat here? If I eat here, I'm between cereal and a veggie patty, because our refrigerator is not very stocked. And we're going with Fruity Pebbles, a little milk in it. Whoever puts milk in the bowl before their cereal, why? Just why? So today seems like one of those days where I'm not really leaving the apartment. It seems like every single time I leave the apartment, I just spend money I don't have, buy things I don't need, eat things that don't really add to my life besides weight.
walk, and the beach is like 2 seconds away from the office. I have to be quite honest with you guys. I really am not actually, anyone who knows me knows I'm not a water person, but I especially dislike sand. It is so annoying. It gets everywhere. It's hard to walk fast. I just don't like it at all. But wow, it is so nice to be really close to, actually, I don't know why I'm saying it's so nice to be close to the beach. I mean, it's like cool, but if I lived here, I would never go. I do, however, love the sun and just sitting outside. Like, look at the sun. Wow. I had to close my eyes for a second. But yeah, look, this is me and all my friends having such a blast.
Hello, I haven't done much. I fell asleep, woke up at like 7. Right now I think it's like 8:30, so I'll probably have trouble sleeping tonight. I cleaned the kitchen a little bit. Still have to take out the trash, but I'll get to it. I was gonna say something. Oh, I was watching our vlog from yesterday, and since me and Karen aren't together, I have to watch her part, and she thinks she knows what I got her for Christmas, but I want to let her know she's wrong. That is not what I got her. And what I got her isn't something she's talked about or necessarily has even seen, but I'm assuming she'll like it, because I assume I know her well enough, But yeah, this is it for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe watch some TV, put on a good movie. Not too sure. But as boring as today was, tomorrow Karen comes back. That's exciting. And then we're gonna create some content, and I have a party to go to, a housewarming. So maybe I will take you guys along. Maybe. I don't know if I'm there yet. But anyways, good night. See you all tomorrow.
Hello. 10:45 p.m. Flight tomorrow at 6 a.m. I'm so tired. Sorry, that was a little bit of my eczema. I like barely can remember what I vlogged. It just seems like 7 centuries and a half ago. But yeah, excited to go back home. So tomorrow I will be here. Okay. See you on the flip side.